Windows play a huge role in keeping your home comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. But like every part of your home, they don't last forever. In a place like Smithtown, where seasonal changes bring cold winters, humid summers, and plenty of coastal breezes, windows are constantly put to the test. Knowing when it's time for window replacement can save you money, improve your home's look, and give you greater peace of mind. Here are the top signs that it may be time to invest in new windows for your Smithtown home. Drafts and uneven temperatures. Do certain rooms in your home always feel colder in winter or hotter in summer? That's often a sign of drafty windows. Why it happens? Old frames, cracked seals, or warped materials let outside air seep in. The result? Your HVAC system has to work harder to keep the house comfortable, raising your energy bills. The fix? Modern, energy-efficient windows with improved sealing eliminate drafts and maintain even temperatures throughout your home. Condensation or fog between panes. If you notice moisture, fog, or streaks between window panes, it means the seal has failed. Why it matters? Insulated glass is designed to keep heat in or out, depending on the season. Once seals fail, efficiency drops dramatically. The result? Cloudy windows that block your view and waste energy. Solution: replacement windows restore both clarity and insulation, improving comfort and reducing energy costs. Difficulty opening or closing windows should operate smoothly. If you're constantly wrestling to open or close them, it's a clear red flag. Causes: age, swelling from humidity, rusted hardware, or warped frames. Risks: a stuck window isn't just inconvenient, it's a safety hazard in case of emergencies. Benefit of replacement: new windows ensure smooth operation, better ventilation, and peace of mind. Noticeable damage or decay. Visible wear and tear often signal deeper problems. Wood rot, common in Smithtown's humid summers. Cracks and chips, weaken glass and reduce insulation. Warping, makes it hard to properly seal windows. These issues usually mean replacement is a smarter investment than repairs, especially when damage is widespread. Rising energy bills. If your utility bills keep climbing without a change in your HVAC system use, old windows may be the culprit. Why? Drafts and poor insulation force your heating and cooling system to run longer. The fix? Energy-efficient replacement windows with double pane or low-E glass reduce energy waste. The payoff? Lower monthly bills and a greener, more eco-friendly home. Increased outside noise. If traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity sound louder than they used to, your windows may no longer provide proper sound insulation. Why it matters? Constant noise disrupts peace and quiet in your home. Solution: replacement windows with insulated glass and quality installation dramatically reduce noise intrusion. Outdated appearance. Sometimes the clearest sign is aesthetic. Faded, mismatched, or outdated windows drag down curb appeal. Modern replacement windows come in a variety of styles and finishes, instantly refreshing your home's look. Added bonus: updated windows can boost resale value, making your home more attractive to buyers. Final thoughts. For Smithtown homeowners, window replacement is about more than looks, it's about comfort, efficiency, and protection. Drafts, condensation, damaged frames, or rising energy bills are clear signs it's time to act. By investing in modern, professionally installed windows, you'll enjoy lower utility costs, improved comfort, reduced noise, and a refreshed home exterior. If your Smithtown home shows one or more of these signs, don't wait until small issues turn into bigger problems. The right replacement windows will keep your home efficient, stylish, and comfortable for years to come.